I've just come here to capture sunset ndabona yagiye, but I will try and capture isigaye. Oh, you guys, this side reba utari dutangiye ku blooming. I love these flowers. This flower smells so amazing. Yeah, these are so cute. So good evening YouTube, how are you doing? Hope you're doing amazing. This is where I'm starting my video. It's Sunday and I've done posting another video, guys. I've given myself like to be posting consistently every Sunday and hope you're having the new routine. I'm just keeping up with you guys with YouTube. Yeah, so I'm posting every Sunday 4 p.m. and today is Sunday. I hope I will vlog the whole week and post another video Sunday around 4 p.m. Okay, hope muzabikunda. So kumeze mbereke so hanze kugira ngo like ndambara amaguru yanjye kubera ko niwe ndyamye. Tomorrow is a work. Yeah, so guys, do you know ibintu murabizi ibi ibintu birakiza. I've caught ikiyoni, so cute. Yeah, I've come to another one. Wow, so cute. So I'm just capturing moon and sunset is gone, but no worries. Tujya gusuhuza Bobby. Hi. Tujya gusuhuza that man and let's turn back. I'm just going to gushyushya amazi noge and see you guys when I have some tomorrow, probably tomorrow. Oh yeah, guys, kambereke ibyiyane ndi kubona ara hejuru, so cute. Biri gutaha. How do you call them? Like, what's the name of those flying birds? Ni ibyiyane or it's not?
There's a man across the street, wears collared shirts, loves whiskey neat after dinner. He's got emerald eyes that shine just bright enough to dull the ring on his finger. I was meant to steal his heart, I can see us in the stars as clear as day. There's just a couple little things that are annoyingly getting in the way. And my mama always told me all is fair in love, and I should never be afraid to fight and shed a little blood. Cause he's my medicine, my everything, my angel from above. The only reason why I've done the things I've done, I'll mail a dozen roses to my future husband, humming to the music.
Today is Monday and I'm going to work. Feel so tired, but it is what it is. We need to go and get it, okay? Sometimes I feel weak, but when I remember what I want in this life, maybe pushing around each end. So let's go. Yeah. We are going home. Let's go home, guys. This is the day. Today is Monday, and yeah, we're a little bit productive. So I thank God. Library, and I'm going to pass through the zebra cross. Yeah. So, as I was telling you, today was Monday, was a successful day. Yeah, I thank God, and a little bit, not like, cyangwa se tip of the day nabasangiza you guys is to nyine give yourself grace, wihe amahoro nubuno buzima, ukore icyo ugomba gukora, like always remember icyo ushaka mu buzima, work towards that. Ibintu bituma ucika intege bikagushyira down, icyo ushyire ku ruhande, usenge Imana ushyire ku ruhande, cause nta kintu kimwe byakungura tu. So mpamvu babwiye ni ukubera ko ni ibintu ngenda nyura mu buzima, nkabona nkareba nkabona n'abantu benshi bakangisha ibintu byinshi bigiye bitandukanye, and I be like reka nze mbibasangize kugira ngo mbega umuntu ureba yesu, kugira ngo like you guys you know something, okay? So abantu duhuje intego, abantu duhuje purpose yo gutunga imodoka no kuba ubuzima bwiza, brother here. Yeah, ikindi Imana iduhane umugisha kandi duhe kwirengagiza ibintu like bitakiri ikintu bitumara mu buzima bwacu, tujye dukora like dukore igihesheje Imana icyubahiro n'ikiduhaye natwe ubwacu icyubahiro. So let me stop yapping. I'm right now going to take bus over there. Yeah, ndetse ntabwo iraza, so niyo ngiye gufata, ubundi I go home tomorrow, the same thing till Saturday. So I'm sharing with you my filtered thing kubera ko I feel like too. Hariya hakurya harasa neza pe. Wow, there's something so cute. Gende turi kwambuka kano kantu karavuze, ngira ngo ni umuntu uri kuri coding. Kavuga nka mashini yanjye neza neza. So guys, maybe imvura igiye kugwa, I don't know. That rain, like what's that? Guys, good morning. Today is the second day. Imvura iri kugwa.
Twaguhaga amafaranga uracyadukora ufata
natereka. So I'm using hand cream. Ngiyi murayizi, numva ari nziza pe, muzayikoresha. Anyways, dore imvura iri kugwa ikagaruka, ikagwa ikongera ikagaruka. I'm here thinking of how I'll get to work. Another day yo gutekereza kugura imodoka. Have to dream big. So ngendera ngende
irahise.
siri guhita ikagaruka reba hari hakurya hasa n'umweru
iri kugumira yiyongeza yiyongeza ifite akazi.
But let's wait niba itongera kugwa ubundi rifata umutaka tugende. Catch up.